We're going to the bank. The Bank Campground. Shelf Road recreation area. North Cañon City. Garden Park fossil area. That's where some of the fossils were found. Over here was Whale Well Flats Campground. Red Canyon Park. And then we were just a little bit further up here. So in this recreation area, we have a couple campgrounds. There's Sand Gulch Campground and the Bank Campground. And the dark line here, that is the Shelf Road. Then it ends up taking you up to Cripple Creek. For today's video, we are north of Cañon City, Colorado, at a BLM campground called the Bank Campground. Elevation here, 6,800 feet. There is a group campsite.
Limit 20 people, 4 vehicles.
Then we'll get into the real campsites here in a second.
Wow.
Impressive views over there. Hoping the wind has died down. We can get the drone up in the air. We went to Pueblo this morning and picked up some new propellers, so we should be back in action. Look at that, I've got 3 bars, went back to 2 bars of 5G service with AT&T.
I have 2 bars now with Verizon LTE, 2 bars LTE Verizon. Group site 2, limit 20 people, 4 vehicles. Oh wow, look at the view.
It's looking down into the valley. Just a couple of picnic tables, a large fire ring, and 4 parking blocks, 2 on each side. Elevation up here, 6,800 feet, roughly.
So Verizon is going back from 1 to 2 bars on LTE.
Other campgrounds in the area, not far from here, is Sand Gulch, which is another Bureau of Land Management, or BLM, campground. Alright, we got B Loop campsites straight ahead, or A Loop campsites. Let's look here and see what it is. $20 per night for individual sites. Alright, so B Loop is on one side of the road and A Loop is on the right side. Let's go A to the right, and then it looks like as we exit and come back, we can go through the B Loop. A Loop. Campground host here. A little unusual for BLM campground.
A1, A2, got a short camper RV through here. Have an A3.
The road getting up here was pretty washboarded, a little on the steep side, but not crazy.
We have A4, followed by A5 here on the left. Pretty nice one. It's got a good view. A6, A7.
Really short parking on those two.
There's a few of them for short parking.
Little.
A8 on the right.
A little private though, with all the vegetation around
Then we
here.
have A9. We have A10 on the right.
I have noticed the tent pads are for small tents, so like a 2 or 4 person tent. Not your big tents that are 6, 8, 10 people.
What about the group sites?
Looks like there's more space there.
A11. Blue truck is. A12. A13.
And an outhouse on the left. All right, we'll loop through the day use area just because I think we will have some decent views. This area is really popular for rock climbing, mountain climbing. There's some, climbing information for the Bank and Cactus Cliff. Guessing this must get pretty busy on the weekends. I think $20 per night might be the most expensive price I've ever seen for a BLM campground. Not that we've been to many, maybe 20 or so. All right, we're going to take a look at the B Loop.
B14. B15.
B16 left, and then the green tent in the car, it would be B17.
Some nice views.
A little bit more open on this campground.
Did I miss a campsite?
Right there.
B18 here on the right.
B19.
B20.
B21. A little bit more open.
B22. B23, where that truck is.
B24.
B25 right. Followed by the bathrooms. B26. This is a longer one here.
Left side out here in the open is B27.
B28.
Looks like it might be a pull-through. Yep, it is.
We have B29 across.
There's a look at B29.
I think it's a pull-out too.
Oh yeah, B29 is a pull-through. Okay. So some RVs, a little bit smaller RVs. Yep.
B30 here on the right, and that's a pull-through also.
B31, left side.
See, that one is not a pull-through.
Yep. Pretty nice sights, decent views.
Pull-through, B32.
Let's check it out. We'd like to thank our sponsor for today's video, Titus Adventures. They've let us take out one of their camper vans for the weekend for this series of videos we're recording. We've got a wide variety of off-road vehicles for camping. Everything from 4Runners with rooftop tents to smaller camper vans like this Ford Transit that we've got, and then even some larger camper vans as well. We've got an electric Rivian with a rooftop tent, so quite a few options in their fleet. Check them out. They'll have a discount code that they're going to give us. We'll put it at the bottom of the screen and in the video description, or that will give you a discount off your rental. Let's go back to the parking area. We'll go for a little walk on that trail to, I think there's some scenic views, and then we'll see if the wind has died down enough to get the drone out